Good day everyone, my name is Arslan and in today's video we're going to look at another 3D floor plan that I've made inside Revit. It's a single bed, single room studio apartment which has a size of 20 by 28 feet. As you guys can see, we have a shower room or washroom, whatever you want to call it, and we have an open front which has windows or a curtain wall, a complete open front, as I would like to call it. And we have a combined kitchen and a bedroom and an entertainment area. This is the night view. We have some drop down lights and we have some studio lights. We have lamps inside. So, and we have a standing countertop kitchen or a standing kitchen. And inside our shower room, we have a washing machine, we have a sink, and a standing shower place and a flush. Similarly, this is the rendered view of our project. This is a single story, a single room studio apartment, a single bed studio apartment. And for the walls, I've chosen a red color. For the floor, I've chosen a stripped, or you could say a strapped wooden floor, a strapped wooden floor. I think that's the correct way of saying it. Similarly, for our shower room, we have these blue tiles, this white and blue small, small squared tiles. And we have a bed, a sofa, a table, a standing kitchen, and an entertainment area with a TV and speakers and everything. And we have this small wardrobe beside the bed. And we even have a big wardrobe which is upon the entrance. So let's go to Revit to further check our model out. Alright guys, so we're inside Revit. This is our main level 1 floor plan of our project, and as you can see, our total area that we have, it's 27 and 8 inches and 20 feet. Alright, so 20 feet by 27 and 8 inches. And the size of our shower room, or you could say the washroom, it's 12 feet by 6 feet and 9 inches. Alright, so this is our main level 1 floor plan inside Revit, the rendered view that we just saw, and this is our project. So we have our main shower room inside here, or our main washroom, and within that room we have a sink, and we have this standing shower section, and we have our flush, and we even have a washing machine right here, and we have these small squared blue tiles, blue washroom tiles, which represent water in a way. And inside I've chosen a red background, a red wall color. You could say a red background color. All right, let's call it a background color, and a red theme, or let's call it a red theme. So we have this red theme inside our studio apartment, and this is our main carpet. Similarly, we have a standing, or you could say a big wardrobe when we come inside from our entrance. And then we have this mini standing kitchen, which has the fridge and the oven and everything, and the cooking area and the sink, and these cabinets, hanging cabinets. Similarly, we have the drop down lights, and we have this small entertainment, or our main TV area or entertainment area, with the receivers and the speakers and everything. And this is our main sofa, our sitting area, along with the table, and we have our main bed. So we have a combined bedroom and a sitting area and a kitchen, and we have a separate small room inside here, which is our main washroom. All right, so I've separated both of them, and we have two more drop down lights, as you can see, and we have two lamps beside our beds. So this is, and we have an open front, I forgot that. Similarly, let's put this forward, and let's fix this orientation, fix this position of our lights. So So this is our main floor plan, or along with the interior design that I've done, and it has a size of 20 feet by 27 8 inches, right? 27 feet and 8 inches, and it's a single bed studio apartment. Okay, a single bed studio apartment with a open front, which has, it's an open front. I've installed a curtain wall here which represents windows in a way. So a studio apartment with an open front, a single bed studio apartment with an open front. I think that's suitable, the correct way of saying it. So this is our project, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something from it. And I'm also going to quickly go through all the commands that I've used. So we have the 9 inches wall, the exterior ones, and we have the 4.5, which I've used for the interior walls. And then we have the components. Similarly, the floors, I've divided them through the modify and split face tool so that I could install different materials within the same floor and the walls. And similarly, I've used the line tool in a lot of when I was placing these components. And the paint, all the paint is done through the paint tool, right? So the paint, split face are the two main tools that I've used in the modify section. And after that is just placing the walls and the southern, going to the elevations and fixing it. And 4.5 inches for the interior walls and 9 for the exterior walls. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you learned something, and see you guys soon with other projects and other videos. Thank you.